So I want to quickly teach you how you can generate an AI avatar that can talk and move with these free AI tools. I mean, guys, I say it is free, okay? Then if you need more features, of course, if you have the money, you can pay for it. So before I go ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? So head over to ChatGPT and paste these prompts. Let's wait for the image to be created. Now our image is ready. ChatGPT has created this powerful image for us. Now go to Hailou AI. Click on image to video generation. Now click here to upload your image. Click on photos. So go ahead and paste this prompt again. This is what we want the video generation to come out as. Now click on camera control. Select any one of these of your choice. So this makes your video more visually appealing and nice. So once you are done, click on create. Now our video is ready. You can see it's beautiful. So whatever prompt you put in there is what you are going to get, okay? So you can go ahead and type in whatever prompt movement you expect to be in your video. Once you are done, go to dream face, and this is the landing page. This dream face is super beautiful because there's so many things you can do on this app, okay? You can, you can create pet singers, pets of the world, so many beautiful things you can do. You can generate AI images, you can do text to video, image to video, and many more other things. You can even start creating children channel or animal channel or pet channels, I mean to say, from this same app. So we're on this app because we want to start lip syncing our video. Now the video that we created before was making movement, but then we couldn't hear any speech, but this app is going to help us. So click on video lip sync and then add your script to continue, okay? So the script that you've created on the first app, which is Hailou AI, add it here to continue. Here you can choose to type in your script, or better still, import your own voice into this platform. But for me, I'll choose to type in my own script that I want. And so click on voice to choose a particular voice that you want to represent within your video. So here you can see there's so many voices that you can choose from. You can see there is child, there is a male voice. I mean, you can just play around and choose whatever you want, okay? So all of them are totally free, so you can choose anyone you want. So when you look up, you will see there is a child voice, there is a male voice as well, and there is also a female voice, there is a rapid voice and celebrity voice. Choose any of the voices and click on animate and wait for it to create the magic that I've been waiting for, okay? So this app is super good because you can use it to do so many things. Now here is the finished work of what we did.
Hello, my name is Yu. I can teach you all things AI and digital marketing. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.